Gulf of Mexico. The only thing you've ever known is this old house here by the road. And when he dies, he says he'll catch some blackbird's wing. He will fly away to heaven from some sweet blue bonnet spring.
She walked through springtime when I was home. The days were sweet and the nights were warm. The seasons changed, the jobs would come, flowers fade. This old house looked so alone when the work took me away. And when she dies, she says she'll catch some blackbird's wing, and she'll fly away to heaven, some sweet blue-bonnet spring. Highway 90, the jobs were gone. Tender iron and set the sun. This is the only place on earth bluebonnets grow. Once a year they come and go at this old house here